Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to talk to you about TurboTax. Now you heard on the news and the Secretary of State say that you can go on TurboTax and you can fill out your information and you can get your stimulus check by filling out your information on there. Okay, so I came to report to you because I know some people that went on TurboTax and they went through that process, and it asks for your pertinent information, you know, that you need, your bank information, your name, address, all of that stuff, okay? And then what it did at the end, which was a surprise to these people, is they filed a 2019 tax return without their knowledge. Now I know that for a fact, okay? And so I said to them, I says, well, did you fill out any tax information or anything like that? No. So I backtracked and I helped and assisted and called with them to find out what happened. And this is the part that you guys would need to know for sure. Anybody that is going to TurboTax to fill out that form so that they can get their stimulus check need to know, if you have not filed your 2019 tax return, I don't know about 2018, maybe that year too, but for sure 2019, and you go on, you fill out that information, TurboTax is going to file a tax return for you automatically, free of charge, okay? But the problem is you're not given any information, like, you know, they didn't ask you anything, like they didn't ask them dependents or any information, you know, wages or nothing. They just filled out this tax return. Don't ask me where they got the information from. Maybe they have access to your information, I don't know. But they filled out this tax return and filed it for them. So the problem is now that two of them, the information was wrong. Okay, the wages was wrong, and so because the wages are wrong, now they got to turn around and file a tax return with the corrections of this problem. So be careful when you get ready to run over there because you want this check and fill out your information. If you're not prepared to file your 2019 tax, and if you are, you want to be able to answer some of these questions. How many dependents you have. You want to give your W-2 information from your job and stuff like that. Okay? At least so that it can be accurate. Not for them to just put in whatever they want to put in, and now you got a problem later that you now have to rectify. That's not nice, and especially with them not knowing that they were going to do that at the end. Okay, they thought they were just providing the necessary information that was required and what the Secretary of State said you need in order to get your stimulus check. And at the end of all of this, where's the stimulus check? Just where is it? Okay, major problem, right? So be mindful of that. Share this video with everybody because everybody needs to know what happened over at TurboTax so that they don't fall into that pit hole, because that's a problem. Okay, you know, you're trying to solve one problem by getting a stimulus check, and now they made two problems. No stimulus check yet, and they filled out something with the wrong, a tax return with the wrong information. Okay. So I asked the question to the lady, on behalf of my friend. I says, well, what happened? How did this happen? I says, without his knowledge. And you know what they said? They said their system is designed to do tax returns. And the only way that their system can do it is to generate a tax return. And so that's why they do it. I said, that's insane. You must have a lot of complaints on that one. I said, because thousands of people are told to come over here and fill this out. I says, and now you're just going to do a tax return with incorrect information? So I just wanted to share that with you. Please share this video. Let it go viral. I didn't want to let the night go through without letting you know that, because this is a problem, and hopefully maybe somebody can straighten this problem out. Okay, and I hope that you get this stimulus check, and when you get it, you know, don't rush and spend that all up in at one time. You know, really pay your bills, because you don't know where the next dime is coming from or when the next dime is coming. Okay, because I was told that it was all this was supposed to happen right away, but of course, as you can see, it hasn't happened yet. But they said, I don't know, they said on the Thursday, which is tomorrow, so I think today is the 8th, I believe, so either the 9th or the 10th, people should start getting the stimulus check in their bank account. And they're going to start with the lowest paid person first, I understand, and then work their way up. People who are on disability and unemployment, not unemployment, disability and Social Security. Disability and Social Security are supposed to get theirs towards the end of the month. Okay, so I just wanted to give you all of that information so that you can kind of piece together your life, because that's basically what we're doing. We're piecing together our life step by step, day by day, hour by hour. And you know what? We've never ever had to live like this. This is really insane, and I can't wait till life get back to normal. What about you, huh? Okay, so I thought I'd come on and tell you that and share that information with you. I always try to keep you informed and help you in any way that I can. And just remember, share this video, and share. I had a live conversation with unemployment, a live unemployment person called me. Share that video with everyone so that everybody can stay in the loop. That's your way of helping people. Okay, and that's nationwide. All right, until next time, check out the links below. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and follow me, will you? I love you following me. And so until next time, Grandma Ray loves you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.